If Face ID suddenly stopped recognizing your face after updating to iOS 26.3 or iOS 26 updates, don't assume hardware damage. Most update-related Face ID issues are software-based. Let's troubleshoot it. Fix 1. Clear the sensor area. Wipe the top front of your screen carefully, remove thick screen protectors if needed, and then clean the sensor area with some microcloth or soft tissues. And then try your Face ID again. Fix 2. Check Face ID settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Ensure Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock. After that, try to unlock your phone again and see if the problem is solved or not. If not, then move into next solution. Fix 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. And scroll down, tap Reset Face ID. If you are showing that Reset Face ID is not working, then there might be a stolen device protection on. First, turn it off and then try Reset Face ID again. After that, and set up again following on-screen instructions. After that, it might be solve your issue. If not, then fix 4. Force restart. Press volume up, then volume down and hold the slide button until Apple logo appears. Many users report this immediately restores Face ID. Now if your Face ID is working again, that confirms it was a temporary software glitches. If not working right now, then sadly it might be a hardware issue. You have to visit your nearest Apple service center. So that's our today's video. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends who are facing the same issues. Comment which solution worked, or are you moving to the Apple service center? Subscribe for more iOS troubleshooting guides you can actually trust. Thanks for watching.